Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another Mommy Mondays video. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Lois, and on this channel I speak about motherhood, womanhood, and relationships. So in this video I wanted to share with you guys my mommy makeup routine, especially if I'm in a hurry and I have to get dressed and dress my child. This is the routine that I do. It's quick, simple, it does not take a lot of products, it's super simple and easy to do, and any mommy, anyone, any woman could do this. So let's get on with this video. As a mom, sometimes you don't have much time to get dressed because you have to dress yourself and you have to dress your child or your children. So this is my quick mommy makeup routine, especially if I'm going out and I don't have much time. This is what I do on mornings, and I'm using this is the Fit Me Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation. Okay. When I became a mom, I remembered, like, especially when Aiden was a newborn, and I just didn't have time, like, to take care of myself, to treat myself, to look good, because most of the times I was basically indoors for like 3 months because we didn't really go out much with him. Actually, no, I was indoors for like about 2 months, and then when he got his shots, then we started to go out with him, and so I didn't really take care of myself. But I always thought that I didn't want it to be that mom that used to look a hot mess and look old, right? I never wanted to be that mom. I want to be a mom that you can be an example that, hey, being a mom is okay. Yes, it's challenging, but you can still look good, you can still be happy, you can still enjoy this role that you're in or that you have taken on, right? So self-care is so important, and just taking care of yourself, taking care of your body, taking care of your mental health, it's so important, and I've learned this. I remembered the first 6 months of Aiden life, every time I would buy something for him, I never thought about myself, even in shopping and stuff like that. Everything that I do was catering to the desires and the needs of Aiden. And one day I said, you know what, Lois, I need to start to take care of myself and treat myself. You know, as a mommy, you're working so hard, you're giving your best, you're giving your all, and there are times where you just need to treat yourself. And I'm using the Fenty Beauty matchsticks, and this is in suede, and I'm going to use this as a highlighter right underneath my face. And again, you guys, as I said before, this is very sheer, so it's not going to give me a lot of coverage, but as I said before, I don't want to put on a full face of makeup. You know, this is like a mommy routine. This is not like when I'm going to a wedding or anything. This is like something quick that I do, and it's very sheer, so it's not going to give me a lot of coverage, but it's going to just make me look like if, you know, I was well rested, even though in reality, as a mom, you know, you never get sleep, right? But it just creates that illusion that I got a good rest, right, you guys? And honestly, guys, I'm almost finished my makeup. It's so quick and easy, you know. It's just to make me look put together. And sometimes I find that makeup, it can really make you feel, when you do your makeup early in the morning or whenever, it makes you feel motivated and you feel productive because you're not looking a hot mess, right? And I just use the Sasha just to set that concealer, and I just like to make sure that my beauty blender is damp, right? And guys, I'm almost finished. I tell you guys, it's like a quick, I am a mommy, I ain't got all the time in the world. So yeah, this is like just me just hurrying up, putting on my makeup, because Aiden is sleeping right now, but most of the time he's in the kitchen. I have to go after him, bring him back. He picks up something and so I have to do my makeup and supervise him. So because of that, I take the quickest route possible. All right. And then I just like to put on a little bit of eyeshadow. Nothing glamorous, just that I look, you know, just that my eyes look okay. I don't know what, it's MAC Studio. I got this in the States, and honestly, I think I don't know this brand, but so I don't think that it's like in a store where you can get it. It was like in a random place that I got it. But I just put some eyeshadow over my eyes, just that my eyes just look really nice. And I did a video on how makeup made me insecure, so if you want, you could go over and look at that too. Right? And as well as I would leave the link below in the description box to a lot of my mommy related videos, so that you can look at that too as well. Right? So I'm just putting on this. It's nothing special that I'm doing, you guys. I just want to look, you know, just put together. Self-care is so important, and even as I'm speaking, even as I'm talking to you guys about self-care, I remember like a few days ago, I was like, Lois, okay, when are you going to take a day to pamper yourself? And I'm using this Sasha compact powder just to set my whole face. I was like, Lois, when are you going to get a day to pamper yourself? Because you need to do that. So I was thinking to like do a massage, do like a little pedicure, a manicure, and do like a face mask, and you guys, and wash my hair. That was like self-care for me too as well, just washing my hair and just taking care of me, taking care of me. I'm not waiting for someone else to take care of me. You have to take care of yourself. It's a do-it-yourself. Self-care is a do-it-yourself, and you have to find the time. You have to make the time to take care of yourself. Rest. Sometimes self-care for me, sometimes it's just getting a good night rest, or sometimes getting a good day rest. Self-care for me sometimes is taking a break from duties and responsibilities, going out for a drive by myself alone. Sometimes that's self-care for me, right? And I'm using another matchstick, and this is in cinnamon, and I love these matchsticks because it's so quick and easy to use. So I put it here on top there, and I'm gonna put some on my eyelids as well, just for a little bit of shimmer. And I love how it's so applicable, how it applies. It's something quick, and I just use my hands. I'm not even going to use a brush, because on mornings I don't have time, so it's the quickest way out, and I just use my hands right here and just blend it out. And I like to kind of bring it up like that a little bit, and do the next side. Like, guys, I do this in 5 minutes, but it's just that how I'm talking. Right? And I line my lips like that. So as mommies, soon to be mommies, that's important. Just taking care of yourself. Self-care. Sometimes for some people, self-care is doing your makeup, or going by a hairdresser and getting your hair done. I'm using the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. This is my favorite lip gloss. It's worth every penny. I love it. I love it. I definitely want to buy a next one. And I think that's it. Oh, and I do my lashes. So mommies, I dare you this week, and even young ladies, whoever is watching this, if you know you deserve, you're working hard, and you know that you deserve time, you need rest, you need to take time for yourself. do it. Love yourself. You know, do something that you love to do. Going for a walk by yourself, reading a book, watching a comedy. But it's taking intentional time and saying, you know what? As mommies, sometimes you just need a break, and a break is so important. And I know when I need a break, and I go to my husband and I say, here's what I need a break. Is either you go out with him and let me just get this house for myself. Sometimes I just like to stay home by myself. No one. No, I don't even want no one there. Carrie, you go out with him or I go out. And it's so important. You must know when you reach your breaking point. You must know you reach your limit. Sometimes it's in your dreams and your goals. You're going so much to fulfill it that sometimes you need to know and internalize, okay, I need to take a break. If it's just for a day, 5 minutes, however long, I need to take a break and stop. Don't think about this. Think, you know, do something else that is going to give me rest, and is going to make me feel good, and is going to care for myself, and is going to make me feel just relaxed and happy. You know, so self-care is super important, especially as mommies, and as not just only mommies, but hard working women. Take a break. It's so important. So this is my quick mommy makeup routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next week Monday in another Mommy Mondays video. Bye guys.